in here.
Why the floor sound like that?
Maybe because of this mountain out
The bedroom. Damn it, putting on here. Gloves. This little bathroom.
pretty clean, but I'm gonna just go stuff
That's weird.
Dang, they slamming the door hard. I didn't think, good Lord. They gotta close the door like that. Huh? Dang. It ain't that safe with that. Dang. Yeah, but there's somebody slamming the door.
Yay! I made it to the park. We're just trying to find parking. Diamond is reading the rules for Busch Gardens. It was $25 to park, guys. So look at this car. We're trying to get everything out the pocketbooks. We're trying to get such as tasers, what is it, mace,
Unnecessary,
etc., etc., etc. That way we won't have to walk back to the car. Because blessed assurance, this parking lot looks like it's full. Thank God we made it here. When we get in the park, I do have to order DoorDash for my mom because she was back in the room. She decided to stay. And yeah, it's been a journey getting here, to say the least. Able to check in the room early because check-in was like at 2 o'clock. But however, we was able to check in at 11 something. And it's currently 1:41. We just get to the park closes at 9. So hopefully we don't have to wait in line for a long time to get in or to ride a ride. Some rides I will ride, some I will not. But you know, me, I will make the most of my money and I will go to the children's section to ride some rides because I'm not getting on a bunch of crazy stuff. It's just not gonna happen.
She's gonna ride the kid, right?
Yep. Diamond gonna ride what she gonna ride.
I ain't gonna ride everything.
And yeah, guys, so we getting ready to find a park and then I will show you everyone's fit for Busch Gardens. And guys, oh, I forgot to tell you, we at Busch Gardens celebrating Miracle's 22nd birthday. But this is her birthday celebration.
I this is why we're going. I just thought we was going just to. Oh, my makeup looked up, y'all.
Well, you did it. No fight, no.
There
There was no train, y'all. We might can ride the train. taking us?
I'm sorry?
Where is this taking us?
So you are going to be parking across the street.
Across the street? Across the street where? Is it signs and everything out there that let us know? Because we not paid our money.
Say you're going to the left of the light, and then on the right-hand side of the street will be a parking lot. Trams will come pick you up and drop you at the main gate.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so you said it is signs to tell us where to go.
There's signs that go to the left.
Okay, and the
Once you get here, you're at the stoplight, you turn left. There will be a parking lot. There should be signs directing you into the parking lot.
okay, and you said the train gonna come over there?
The tram that just passed by us will come pick you up.
Okay.
Drop you at the main gate.
All right, thank you. All right, you too. Yeah, cause we not paid $25, honey, and
Across the
street like.
Watch that come.
But ain't this what we just paid? They're gonna wait a third. There he go with the train. Yeah, that's. I hope this is it. Yes, this is it. Please don't let me get crazy. I'll be this too.
I think she beat it. Yeah, I think it's
I'm just saying, Lord Jesus. So we driving way out. I don't know where we going. We just driving. And cut that AC off, hit the power button. And the train's supposed to come pick us up, y'all. So we gonna see how this go. Like Diamond say, is it gonna bring us back to the parking lot tonight? Because we gonna be late. I don't know. I'm gonna walk with a group of people. So we need to park. Let's park like in an odd spot. So we'll know where y'all wanna park at.
We ain't trying to walk across a football field.
But we need to park on the end. We just need to remember the number, okay?
Just park
Do
at
we need to
63
park on the end or something?
61.
Middle's in the middle or on your left, guys, okay?
No more boarding, no more boarding.
You would also like to remind you that smoking, including e-cigarettes, is prohibited, unless in designated smoking areas.
Don't move. This a ride right here. Right. As you can see, we still waiting for Miracle to get ready. I got my Fitbit on. I'm getting ready to start it on 0 because I'm gonna see how many steps I'm gonna do today and how many calories I'm gonna burn.
Wait a minute.
Dime Peace finna, she's getting her Fitbit together as well. Miracle, just leave it like we gonna pay for the tickets, or should we just go on and order them online?
Now serving the next guest at window number 1.
My Fitbit is on, oops, well, cut off, it ain't on nothing now. My Fitbit is on 0 calories. Let's see how many steps I do today.
Now serving the next guest at window.
Hello. One. Yeah. Oh, so it's the same as online as it is this regular. So this is my ticket, guys. This is my ticket for today. Although I guess Miracle leaving us. I was gonna say you leaving us.
They talking there.
She
I
got
don't know who
left.
they was talking to.
Okay, Diamond. This Diamond fit for Busch Gardens. Diamond got the little casual, you know, the gray with the diamonds on there, cause she a diamond. She got diamonds on her clothes. Amen. She got a Fitbit on, got a Series on. Miracle got the Vans on with the jean shorts and the pink. And
It's red.
hold your necklace representing the year she was born, 99. Yeah. We gonna go to, what time y'all wanna go to the show? What time is it?
2:35, 7, 8:30.
We gotta come to Monster Stomp. Yeah. And me, myself, I got on this Blessed and beautiful shirt. Of course, I'm blessed and beautiful. And some black shorts. You know, just something I wear around the house. Something comfortable. We're going to have to do the monster stomp. Hey, it's Mellow. Look at the big spider.
Oh, yeah. I don't ride nothing crazy.
Some bigger spiders.
I don't ride nothing real crazy.
I guess these the spider webs, y'all. Oh, I guess we won't look. She just walked right in front of us. What you mean, how I'ma fit in there? I'ma fit. Oh, man.
my
Wait a minute. Slide over down, please. Oh, you gotta step in. Y'all be careful. Oh, Lord Jesus.
We too big for this ride for 24.
So this is the first ride we're gonna ride.
Is ours broken?
Miracle spinning it already.
Hey, y'all heavy.
I told Miracle and Diamond don't spin it too much because I don't want my vertigo to mess up. So yeah, we riding a little teacup ride, y'all. Miracle don't know that Simon because she already spinning. Don't have me too dizzy now. I'm already feeling dizzy.
The sun in the way.
Oh.
How do you do it?
Oh, Lord.
I don't know how to turn it. How you turn it?
Whoa! 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 Oh, hell.
I don't know how to turn it.
Wait a minute! Let me find out the little trim layer. Turn it, Miracle.
I ain't all heavy.
Oh, my God. Damn, it slows down
Coming
with a
to a
great
halt.
speed. How y'all feel? And that was a kid ride. Already disheveled and bewildered. All right,
Hold
let's
on, I
get
ain't know
out.
we're gonna do all that.
I know I'm busy too. How you open the door? Open this. Oh Lord, child. Let me see if I can get up out. Miracle, you good? Can you get out? Miracle now closed herself up in the ride. Y'all good? Miracle and Diamond is getting ready to get on this ride called the Trade Wind. I did not ride it with them because it goes around in circles, and we just got off a ride that goes around in circles, and I told them I did not want to ride this because I did not want my vertigo to mess up.
Now hold on tight, and we hope you enjoy your ride.
What, for the Halloween stuff? Yeah. I'm sorry. Sorry, you're fine. You good? You good, Don P?
I like them small twisties.
Okay, put it down.
Alright.
Well, let's look at it and see what it do.
It's like, if it was like wider, yes, but it's not wide.
But it's So this is the ride, Apollo's Chariot, and this is what the seat looks like. No, I pass. Like, that's all you got holding you in. No, sir. Well, y'all, this is what our food is looking like. This look a hot ass mess, to be honest with you. This is my food, and my mama just sitting here eating like it ain't bothering her at all. Miracle over here having a panic attack. She can't even eat. And this Miracle food, this Miracle tray here, as you can see, there go a dead one right there. Keep here.
What that
Her
for?
plate. Here go my cheesecake. It's being taken out. I can't eat the whole thing for the simple thing. Look at this fly on my breast. That's Miracle plate right here. She can't even eat her food. She had to put up in her time to put sitting there eating like a little. We're over there having a panic attack. We had to move from one table to where we at now.
It's scary.
So I just told Mary to stand up and eat. You good, Dime Peace? Diamond said, this food was $20, I'm gonna eat it.
Okay, so I couldn't tell if that was a recording or if somebody was actually calling. Hold on. Hold on.
You have a good time.
That's cute.
You ride a lot.
Thank you. That's cute.
Well, guys, I burned 2,367 calories.
Good Lord.